Hello everyone, this is a video about the recent performance of Tesla and the stock market overall. So the question is, why is the Tesla stock falling? So first of all, Tesla year to date has a minus 22.49% performance, not very well, from 1,200 US dollars down to almost 900 US dollars. First of all, this is not just Tesla. Let's see, for example, Nvidia, which is a stock very correlated with Tesla, is also minus 22.49% year to date, down from 300 down to 233 US dollars. The NASDAQ is also minus 12.49% year to date. Even Apple is down a minus 11.20% year to date, down from 180 to 161 US dollars. The Fear and Greed Index from CNN Business is at 41, which is quite a fierce index. So which are the main reasons? First of all, this is just a market correction, as many others that have been going on throughout the years. Secondly, we'll talk a little bit about the Fed. And thirdly, we'll talk about Russia and Ukraine. So first of all, the Fed. The Fed is expected to soon aggressively tighten its policy. Investors are eyeing the Fed's policy meeting, which begins on Tuesday and wraps up Wednesday. Market participants will be looking for any signals on how much the central bank will raise interest rates this year and when it will start. So the committee of the Fed is called the Federal Open Market Committee. The Federal Open Market Committee sets interest rates, is meeting. The expectations are that it will not act at the January meeting, but the rate hikes will start in March. And the Fed is expected to wrap up its monthly asset purchase program also in March. 4 interest rate hikes are expected this year. The Fed balance sheet, the Fed has been aggressively investing in the markets, and it is now sitting at over 8 trillion US dollars, which is quite a huge amount of money invested in the markets. There are many fears about the USA inflation, which currently sits at 7%, and this is the highest level for over 40 years. Secondly, we'll talk about Russia and Ukraine. There is fear of conflict. There are crisis talks aimed at averting a military confrontation between Russia and Ukraine, and these appear to be faltering, so there is a possibility of a military conflict between these countries, and possibly other countries might intervene somehow. Let's see what will happen with this development. So let's zoom out a little bit. Tesla's 6-month performance is over 40%. It's 41.42%, which is an exceptional performance. Actually, Tesla has been in a kind of a downward spiral since the 4th of November 2021, when it was at all-time highs of 1,200, more than 1,200 US dollars. Today it is about 930 US dollars, so we are seeing approximately a 30% drop. So what happened in the meantime? Definitely a development that had a lot to do with this drop has been Elon Musk selling stocks. But this is just a market correction. These market corrections happen all the time. For example, between January 2021 and May 2021, Tesla went from $880 to $580, which is a drop of about 35%. Actually, the Tesla fundamentals seem to be as good as ever, with the Berlin and Austin gigafactories opening soon. The quarterly results are expected to be quite good tomorrow, Wednesday, 26 January 2022, after market closes. The Cybertruck will start production in a few months. New gigafactories or expansion of the current ones will begin to be realized, and new models are expected to be announced within 6 to 12 months. So the next weeks and months could potentially be choppy. And the previous big Tesla correction, which was from January 2021 until October, it took about 9 months to reach new highs. And if history is any guide, Tesla might start going up in a few months, and there is the possibility that we will have new all-time highs within 2022. So this might be a wild ride, but this is something that happens all the time. Of course, none of what I say here is financial advice. This is just my opinion. You should do your own research and make your own financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. This was just for entertainment purposes. So good luck everyone with investing, and see you around in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.